So we are on Spokane River. We are July 6th, right? We have Logan. He wanted to do tubing today, and we waited for the weather to warm up a little bit. So come along on this journey with us today. Say hi, Logan. Are you sure you don't want your goggles, babe? Okay. I don't know. beautiful houses, huh? So this is still Post Falls. Oh, there's all the seagulls again. There's the Red Lion
all of the seagulls.
Templeton Resort. And these are condos right here on the water. Wouldn't mind having a little pad up there, huh?
You speak too. You don't speak loud enough. No, but he cannot hear you. It is not.
So this is where we came here on the Quemlin Park. I probably pronounced it wrong, but that's where we came with Logan the other day, and also he came with Grandpa, and they tried out the raft. So it doesn't look too busy, huh? Looks like I hear a lot of people.
There's a lot of people.
And there's the dam that they have closed the doors. And over here, yep, these are the newer condos. They just now were allowed to put their boats out on the water because the water was so low. They had to shut the dam doors. Get it? Dam doors. Haha. Turned out to be a nice day. What do you think it is? About 78?
Yeah, probably. More like 902.
And there's the minion that has to make a comment.
Yep, I always have to make a comment.
Yep.
Yep.
So Logan's got the s'more kit out again. It's a beautiful evening. We went tubing on the Spokane River today, behind the boat, not just floating. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of that tube ride? The zigging and zagging?
The big waves and the zigzag.
Yeah, there's some pretty big boats out there. Throw off some waves.
Now.
Logan's got the last of the remaining sparklers to get rid of tonight.
I hope there's no more dog poop. Oh. He's nice and clean. He had his bath. Look at him. Woo!
He is ready to travel.
He is ready to travel on the plane again. Ooh, that's making my eyes go crazy with the neon. America.
Oh, yeah.
Do a slow motion. Logan.
I'll do one. I'll do the next video slow motion.
I'll have Grandpa do it. Oopsie. Careful. Don't hurt your hair.
My hair.
I don't want it to get on your head like Kayla had a problem. How many marshmallow s'mores did you have tonight? Like 5? No, that's the whole kit. The one little sandwich. You had like 5. Woo! America! Woo woo!
It's gonna fizzle out. We have 4 more.
Do circles. Whoa, it's like in
Cool.
Mexico. The fire dances, right?
Yep.
Woo!
Okay, with that slow motion scream, I think we'll end the video. Thanks for watching. Please like us and subscribe. Until our next adventure, bye.